Welcome back to Living 757. Last year, we loved a soup, but today we love a cheese. And I am so excited to welcome author and also chef, April Burke. Hi.
Hi, Ashley, how are you?
I'm so excited to have you because I gotta tell you, I am a person, we were talking before the segment, I love cheese, I love charcuterie.
Yes.
I could live off of adult Lunchables if that was a thing.
Yes, me too.
So if people pick up your book, We Love a Cheese, what kind of cheesy adventure can they expect?
Well, we're gonna go through all of the milks. We're gonna create some cheeses at home, which is actually really easy to do.
Ooh.
And I have cheesy apps, entrees, desserts, and there's even a dog treat.
Oh my gosh, okay, so all of that sounds fantastic, but what's going on here? Because I've never seen, when we're talking about cheese, we have a pot.
Yes. So I love telling people that ricotta, which is one of the recipes in the book, is very easy to make at home. It's just milk, cream, and salt in this pot. You heat it.
Okay.
You add your acidity of lemon juice, which will create a curdle, which will make the curds and whey separate.
Okay.
And then we strain it.
Oh my gosh, okay.
Yes.
Can we do it? Can you walk me through it?
Yeah, so we're in this pot, I'm just heating up the milk and cream and the salt up to a certain temperature until there's little bubbles forming.
Okay.
And then after the little bubbles are formed, we're gonna add the lemon juice, which is super easy. It's your acidity, which you could buy at the grocery store. Everything here is super easy to find at the grocery store.
Okay.
And as soon as you add that, it's gonna start to curdle. You'll see it start separating.
Oh yeah.
You see?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna strain it in cheesecloth. And
Okay.
I like to do it just 2 hours. The longer you strain it, the harder it will be.
Okay.
So if you want a softer ricotta, you could just do 2 hours, or if you want it harder, easy to spread ricotta, you could do it overnight.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's fun. Now, where did you learn all of the things you put in your books? Because We Love a Soup was all about the soups. This one's all about the cheese.
Yes.
Where did you learn all these tips and tricks?
Well, it's really because I'm very passionate about cheese. I love cheese, and I've been cooking in restaurants in Virginia Beach for 15 years now.
Oh my goodness.
So it's really everything I've picked up from the chefs that I've worked with, and
Okay.
it's really about experience.
Okay. Now, you said you have been cooking in restaurants in Virginia Beach for 15 years.
Yes.
First of all, you don't look old enough to have been doing that for that long. But what is your favorite cheese to make? Because it's new to me that you can actually make cheese, which
Yeah.
I think you said is kind of common. People don't really know that.
Yeah. Well, I love to make ricotta because it's so easy. It's so versatile. You could do a sweet ricotta for a cannoli filling, add the sugar. Or you could add herbs to the ricotta to spread it on crostinis.
Right.
Or you could use it in your lasagnas. You could do a lot with the ricotta, and it's super easy.
So dessert cheese.
Yeah.
I didn't know that was a thing, but but that makes me really happy
Yeah.
to even think about it. And if we're talking your favorite recipe, we also have to ask, what's your favorite cheese?
I think every cheese has its moment. For a burger, I like cheddar, or for every cheese has its moment. But if I had to pick one, I think it would be Gruyere cheese.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's a good cheese.
Yeah, I love a Gruyere. It's very buttery, but a little tangy. It's good.
That's fun. Now, where locally can we get the books? And also online. I know you can get them online, but I know you have some in brick and mortars around
Yes.
the 7 cities too.
So they're available at the Cavalier. They're also available at a lot of local boutiques, Golden Hour Boutique, Apricot Lane, Surf and Rescue Museum, the Tarnished Truth Distillery. So the community has been very supportive with bringing in my books and selling them. So I'm also in Painted Tree and Virginia Vintage now with my own booths.
Ooh, that's
Yes.
so exciting. Now, I said I wasn't going to ask this, but I'm totally asking. Will there be another book in the series?
Yes, there will be another book in the series. I'm working on it, yes.
Yay, okay. Well, tell our viewers where online they can find your book and where they can follow you and find more information.
So I am on Amazon.com, and I am also on Instagram at We Love a Soup, and my website is weloveaseries.com.
Thank you so much
Thank you
for
so much for
joining
having
us.
me.
And thank you for showing me how to make cheese in my own kitchen. I'm
Yes, of
excited.
course. It's easy. You gotta try it.